Hi guys, it's Annika here with TipRanks, and today we're looking at 3 strong buy stocks that Goldman Sachs predict will soar at least 60%. The US stocks have been on a roll, with the S&P 500 closing at a record high on Monday. And it was up for the 8th consecutive positive day, the longest streak of record highs since 1997. One of the supporting factors is that many companies' Q3 earnings have been up around 40% year over year, beating expectations. The infrastructure bill was actually passed, and this offered hope that the Congress can get its act together and put consequential legislation on the president's desk. The US weekly payroll data showed a jump in wages. This has been a positive change since the downbeat jobs data that we saw and also the inflation data. So this could be an opportunity for many to take advantage of the bullish momentum we are seeing in the market. And no better way than seeing what stocks Goldman Sachs has chosen that are poised to see some growth. The first stock that Goldman Sachs recommends is Q Health Inc., and its ticker is HLTH. Q Health is a San Diego-based health tech company, and it's involved in the information and the diagnostic segment of the healthcare industry. The current price for Q Health is $11.40, and the analyst rating consensus is that it's a strong buy, and the analyst price target for HLTH is $15.75. This is a 38.16% upside based on 4 Wall Street analyst ratings offering 12-month price targets. Q offers access to lab-quality diagnostic testing at the user's location, be it home, work, or point of care, through a handheld sampling and reading device. Q's testing devices are made in the USA and the company's 5 facilities in San Diego, and Q boasts over 100 patents protecting its intellectual property. In an important move, the company has introduced a mobile COVID-19 test. In just 20 minutes, Q's molecular test can deliver results comparable to the standard PCR test, delivered to the patient's mobile phone. A Mayo Clinic study showed that Q's test gives a 97.8% accuracy. Furthermore, the company announced in October that it has made an agreement to serve as NBA's COVID testing provider for 2021 to 2022 basketball season. And on November 1st, Q and Major League Baseball announced jointly that the health tech company provided COVID testing for MLB games through the postseason and World Series. Q Health is one of the many companies that has jumped on the IPO bandwagon this year. As the stock markets have risen, Q has used this opportunity to go public and raise new capital. Q's IPO held in September saw the company make 12.5 million shares available on NASDAQ at $16 each to raise $200 million in gross proceeds. The TipRanks Smart Score, if it's less than 5, it is likely to underperform the market, and if it is greater than 5, then it is likely to outperform the market, and around 5, it is deemed as neutral. Analyst ratings is that it is a strong buy, and TipRanks investors are very positive, along with news sentiment being very bullish. Matthew Sykes from Goldman Sachs sees it as a solid investment. He says that while we acknowledge near-term risks of having a single test tied to COVID testing, we see this balanced with the potential long-term opportunity of providing an at-home molecular diagnostic solution for the growing telehealth market. However, we expect further evidence of a diversification in customer concentration, with additional corporate customers coming online, plus more details on the company's direct-to-consumer strategy, which could provide positive catalysts. And therefore, he has deemed it to be a buy, with a $19 price target, which is a 72.41% upside. The second Goldman Sachs pick is AVDX Holdings, and its ticker is AVDX. AVDX is an accounts payable service which offers automated AP technology. The current price for AVDX is $24.83, and the analyst rating consensus is that it is a strong buy, and it has an analyst price target of $30.50, which is a 22.84% upside based on 8 Wall Street analyst ratings offering 12-month price targets. Customers can find enhanced flexibility, security, and efficiency to issue, approve, invoice, and receive payments anytime, anywhere. AVDX products include invoice, bill payment, and purchase automation, along with utility bill payment. The system is scalable to grow with the customer and includes remote access and fraud protections. AVDX is also actively working to expand its services and its customer base. Early this month, the company announced expanding availability of its Avid suite for financial services, which is now available to credit unions. AvidXchange, like Q, is another company that has recently gone public. The AVDX ticker debuted on the Nasdaq on October 13th. The company put 26.5 million shares on sale to the public with an initial pricing of $25 per share. This was above the $21 to $23 price range originally expected, and well over the 22 million shares the company was expected to offer. The upsized IPO raised $660 million, and the company now boasts a market cap of $4.9 billion. The SMART score is a 9 in that it is very likely to outperform the market. Analyst ratings deem it to be a strong buy, and TipRanks investors are very positive. Insider activity also shows that many have bought shares worth over $718,000 over the last 3 months. Goldman Sachs analyst Will Nance deems it to be a buy, and he says that we believe AVDX is well positioned to take share in the largely unpenetrated $26 billion total addressable market for middle market AP automation, driving a very long duration growth in profile with longer term optionality for an inflection in an automation adoption in its target market. In addition, we believe Avid should see strong growth in payments revenue over time. Lastly, we see intermediate and longer term opportunities to increase monetization through supplier orientated products such as invoice accelerator product, as well as rolling out support for cross-border payments. And therefore, he deems it to be a price target of $40, which is a 61.29% upside. The third Goldman Sachs stock pick is IHS Holding, and its ticker is IHS. IHS Holding is a telecom infrastructure company specializing in emerging markets. IHS owns and operates wireless transmission towers in 9 countries in Latin America, Sub-Saharan Africa, and the Middle East, with a total of more than 30,200 towers. This makes IHS one of the world's largest independent or owner-operators and developers of such tower properties. The company's tower network facilitates mobile communication for over 600 million people globally. IHS offers a variety of solutions for tower placement, with infrastructure that can be scaled to the customer's needs, meet the needs of urban areas, or provide connectivity in remote locations. The company boasts that its infrastructure can be designed and built to fit the customer's specifications. The company held its IPO just a month ago, and the IHS ticker started trading on the New York Exchange on October 14th. The IPO saw 18 million shares go on the market at $21 each. Overall, the IPO raised $378 million in new capital. The TipRanks Smart Score deems it to be an 8 in that it is likely to outperform the market. Analyst ratings deem it to be a strong buy, and TipRanks investors are very positive. Brett Feldman from Goldman Sachs is bullish on this stock, and he deems it to be a buy with a $29 price target, which is an 81.25% upside. He wrote that, "We believe that IHS is well positioned to benefit from secular tailwinds in emerging markets, such as rapid population and GDP growth, as well as increasing 4G and smartphone penetration, which should drive demand for telecom services and tower capacity. Furthermore, IHS business model has a high degree of operating leverage, as the company incurs very little incremental cost when it adds a tenant on its existing tower." So guys, those are the top 3 stocks that Goldman Sachs analysts think will soar over 60%. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!